What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make your ride faster with zero money out of pocket. Now, all you need is a few tools and a little bit of time. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you're a returning viewer, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. We got more great content on the way. But anyways, let's get right into the video. So there are some things that I've done to my vehicle that made it a whole lot faster, and it improved my gas mileage tremendously. So what did I do to make it faster and improve my gas mileage? Well, simply weight reduction. The very first thing I did was remove the spare tire from underneath. That 80 pounds may not sound like a lot, but you definitely feel a big difference in as far as the vehicle's quickness, and definitely your fuel economy improves. 80 pounds, that's a lot of weight off of a vehicle, believe it or not, but that's the first thing we did. Also, you can see the full exhaust, the details of the exhaust from the rear. Looks a whole lot better, improves your gas mileage, makes the car quicker. That's the first thing we did. Now, if you do decide to remove the spare tire, make sure you have some kind of a towing service plan on your insurance or AAA or something, because that's going to be something that's needed. Now, I definitely don't mind removing the spare tire, especially during the winter time. If I get it flat, I definitely would rather pay somebody to tow it or put on a spare tire rather than trying to be out there in the freezing cold, change the tire. So taking this off is definitely a no-brainer for me. I have the towing service available with my insurance, and I have AAA as well, so it's a go for me. The next thing I'm going to do, I haven't done yet, is remove this rear wiper blade and plug it up with a delete kit. So that's going to be another, I say, about 1 pound or so. Now, the third thing I've done to improve the gas mileage and make the ride faster took off probably around 180 pounds alone just by doing this. Now, some people may not want to do this. Some people may think it's not necessary, but in my case, I don't really need it. What I'm about to show you, I've never ever used it. It just works a whole lot better for me, whole lot more room, but let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, I took out the third row entirely. So the third row is gone. And when I took this out, I felt a dramatic increase in vehicle quickness, a dramatic weight difference. With that 180, probably close to 200 pounds gone, the fuel economy improved a lot. So it was a no-brainer for me. By the way, we got a great video on what I've done to the engine. As you can see, the whole engine cover is off. We did a modification for that. Make sure you guys definitely stay tuned for that video. But removing this third row was definitely a no-brainer for me. Look at the space that is back here alone, just in the trunk area. Now, we still have the second row and the first row, obviously, but with that third row gone, there is just a tremendous amount of room and space back here. We still have our, our other trunk area here, and then we got a cargo net there. What you guys know about this, by the way. But removing it, I never used the third row, not even once. Even if I had to use it, people that get back here, it would probably be a pain in the rear because it's kind of tight to begin with. Unless you have little kids that's getting back there, it's really unuseful. It was a no-brainer to remove the third row. Way more space, better fuel economy, made the ride faster. And then when we drop down the second row, there is just a ton of space back here in this whole entire area. And also, even though the third row folded down, with it totally gone, we have a deeper area of cargo space back here. So as you can see, it's deeper. It goes down you know, where this stuff is, it's deeper. Whereas when the seat was here, it was just flat level with this here because it went straight. And that, guys, was the 3 things that I'd done to make my ride faster, but it also improved my fuel economy, improved my cargo space as well. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We got more great content on the way. In my next video, my very next video, we're going to show you the half engine cover insulation that I put on. Definitely stay tuned for that video. But in the meantime, drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of the 3 things I've done to make my ride faster, as well as improve the fuel economy. But I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Alex Ortiz Life signing off.